I'll be right back.
Alright, so we're here with Ellison in Seattle Regionals 2012, and he played wind-ups today. So here's his deck profile.
Alright, so you start off with 2 hunters, and then I run two rabbits. I want to run one more because the card's broken. 3 magicians with 3 sharks.
Spectators, please move to left
These 2
side of the
cards
room.
right here start off the combos.
Please.
With the and you go into the loop. 3 rats,
Side of the room.
tour guides, tour bus, and Sangan. 3 max Cs, because windups can't get over the big monsters, so you just max C and your opponents just stop. You might get a +1 or +2. And then onto the magics, I run 3 factories with 2 D fissures. And then the staples, Monster Reborn, Dark Bow, Heavy. And then I play 3 MSTs for the back rows with Foolish, Book of Moon, and Plot. I run the Solemn Brigade with Torrential and 2 Fiendish Chains. I want to run 3 because it's really good if you run 3.
Alright. Side and extra?
Let's see. My extra deck, I got 2 Leviathans, 1 Giga Brilliant, this card is really good, 1 Zenmeister, a Utopia Ray, 2 Leviers, 3 Carriers.
That is time. Active player, take your turn. 5 turns to resolve your match.
And
If it's unclear to you, please raise your hand and call for a judge.
And then with my extra,
Okay, what we're going to do after this round, after we get all the match slips turned in, we're going to post standings, top 32 after, people check it over and make sure that it's
2 D
correct.
prisons, 2 bottomless,
I'll give a little prize because I need some paperwork filled
3
out.
effect veilers for
So top
insectors,
32, please.
Cyber Dragon with a Chimera Tech, and a Mirror Force. I actually run 3 Thunder Kings.
Alright. So what was your worst matchup today, Ellison?
Probably ninjas. I lost twice against ninjas and lost once against Gadget, but I drew horribly against that game. I had Solemns and Magic cards, so I couldn't do anything.
Alright. Anything else you want to say?
No, this deck is just broken. Use it now.
Alright, thanks man.